Alright, I've never taken one of these apart before. This is a circuit breaker, 15 amp. There's no screws, well, except for the one that would hold the wire. Well, I'll get this out. This always makes it easier. And then I'll put it in a rag, I guess. Start hitting it with a hammer. This is a good way to break stuff open without losing parts everywhere. Got it? Ah, surprise, surprise. A bunch of metal, spring, bunch of plastic. Get this gizmo apart. Get this gizmo apart. Oh, another piece of metal. There, that's plastic. Let's see what we got here. Got the screws. Nice little lump of number 2 copper. Steel. Steel. That's just steel. That's just steel. A couple pieces of brass. That is brass. A couple pieces of brass, a little bit of tin, nice little lump of copper. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.